where the Hillsborough River rolls slow. From the old spring to the white tower, Sulphur Springs. Let the water flow. Before the highways, before the lights, before Nebraska Avenue shined at night, there was a spring beneath the floor of the sun, where healing waters and history begun. John Henry Krause had the land back then. Then Dr. Mills built a place for friends. Bad houses, boardwalks, a pool so clear. People came from far just to feel better here. From horse and buggy wheels to a riverboat ride, families found joy on the Hillsborough side. Then the streetcar rang and the city came near. Sulphur Springs was calling, everybody could hear.
From Yukon Street down toward the river bend, from Waters Avenue where the neighborhood begins.
Every porch, every block,
Every story still shows this is Sulphur Springs.
let the water flow.
Sulphur Springs, let the water flow.
From the old time days to the people we know,
Sulphur Springs, let the whole world see.
there is pride in the past and power in the community.
Raise your hands where the white tower glows.
Hear the river sing where the cool spring flows.
Sulphur Springs, let the water flow.
We have been here strong.
And we are still gonna grow.
Josiah Richardson saw a bigger dream, built a destination around that stream. A dance pavilion, a slide in the sky, gators in the park and music drifting high. They called it Florida's Coney Island Bride, a place where Tampa came alive at night. The Sulphur Springs Hotel and the arcade doors, shopping, laughter, footsteps across the floors.
Bird Street, Nebraska, the trolley line, a whole neighborhood moving in rhythm and time. From the poolside cheers to the alligator farm, this side of Tampa had its own kind of charm.
The water kept moving, the people held on, through every hard season, through every storm. And even when the flood changed all we knew, the spirit of Sulphur Springs kept breaking through.
Sulphur Springs, let the water flow.
From the old time days to the people we know,
Sulphur Springs, let the whole world see.
there is pride in the past and power in the community.
Raise your hands where the white tower glows.
Hear the river sing where the cool spring flows.
Sulphur Springs, let the water flow.
We have been here strong.
And we are still gonna grow.
1927, built in 8 fast days, 225 feet, rising through the haze. That water tower standing tall and wide, a guardian over River Tower Park at night.
The tower driving lit up the scene. Neon